let's learn some algebraic properties. Remember when we learned about a few different mathematical properties and how they pertained to numbers? Let's learn how they will be important in algebra when manipulating variables. The most important of these properties will be the distributive property. This told us how a number could be distributed across a parenthetical sum or difference. This didn't matter too much for arithmetic because 4 times the quantity of 2 plus 3 is certainly equal to 4 times 2 plus 4 times 3. But there was nothing stopping us from adding 2 and 3 first and then multiplying by 4. We should get 20 no matter which method we choose. But with algebra, there are variables that must remain as they are and can't be combined with numbers. So if we have 4 times the quantity of 2x plus 3, the only other meaningful way to express this is by distributing the 4 across the sum. That will give us 4 times 2x plus 4 times 3, which will simplify to 8x plus 12. In algebra, we will want to be able to use the distributive property this way, and we will even want to be able to do it in reverse by removing some common factor from a sum or difference. For example, if we have 3x squared plus 6x, another way to express this would involve identifying the greatest common factor of these terms and factoring it out of the expression. In this case, we can rewrite these as 3 times x and 2 times 3 times x. Taking everything we find in both terms, the greatest common factor would be 3x. And if we pull a 3x out of both terms, meaning we are dividing each term by 3x, we end up with the 3x out here, and then x plus 2 in parentheses. We can verify that this worked as expected by then distributing the 3x across the sum. 3x times x is 3x squared, and 3x times 2 is 6x. So we can use the distributive property in a variety of ways to generate equivalent expressions. Other properties that also apply include the commutative property for addition and multiplication. 2 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 2, and 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2. If these become algebraic terms, the commutative property applies in precisely the same way. The order in which we add or multiply algebraic terms is